This is 3 pileated woodpeckers I've had flying around the yard for the last half hour or so. I'm not sure if it's 2 adults and their young, their offspring, or if it's 2 males vying for the same female, but they seem to be together more than they're squabbling, so I'm leaning towards 2 adults and their offspring. So I'm not sure, but we're going to go ahead and try to get some more footage, and I'll see if I can tie some more close-up shots to get a better look at them now that you've heard them.